Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix too many outgoing friend requests on Fortnite. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're experiencing issues with sending too many outgoing friend requests in Fortnite, there are a few steps you can take to resolve the problem. So the first one, wait and space out requests. Fortnite has limitations on the number of friend requests you can send within a specific time frame. If you've reached the limit, you will need to wait before sending more requests. Try spacing out your friend request over a longer period to avoid triggering the limit. Cancel pending requests. If you have a significant number of pending requests, you can try canceling some of them. To do this, go to your friend list in Fortnite and locate the pending request. Remove or cancel the request for players you no longer wish to add as friends. Verify your account. Ensure that your Fortnite account is verified. Sometimes unverified accounts have limitations on friend requests. Verify your account by following the instructions provided by Fortnite. And the last thing that you can do is to contact Epic Games Support. If the issue persists or you believe it's an error, you can reach out to Epic Games Support for further assistance. Visit the Epic Games website and look for their support section, submit a support ticket, or use their live chat option to explain the issue and seek their guidance. Remember that friend request limitations are in place to prevent abuse and spam. It is important to respect these limitations and use friend requests responsibly. Okay? So that is how you fix issues with sending too many outgoing friend requests in Fortnite. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!